Back in your life, ladies and gentlemen, Forex market situation update. Today, guys, we're going to talk about the Pacific currencies, the New Zealand versus the US dollar, and the Aussie, the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. We're going to start with this one, the Kiwi. Here, guys, we decided to take action just recently. Pull the trigger on 15K. We feel pretty confident about this one, so we started a little bit more aggressively than usual. I want to show you why we think price is on its way up. We think it's going to go to 70.53. It's not a big move, right? We're talking about 70 pip. That's it. But and we already have we already have 3 positions in the market. We got the euro dollar, we got the dollar Canadian, we got the dollar Japanese yen. This is going to be our 4th active position, New Zealand versus the US dollar, fresh. And here's why we decided to take action on this one, guys. We have bullish conviction on all of the currencies that are traded against the US dollar. Let's start with that, right? But more than that, this one was really appealing because of what happened here over the last couple of days. And of course, I'm referring to the last 2 trading days. So it would be Friday, right? The first one was the one that cut right back in and crossed over 69, 62 here. Was supposed to be a resistance level, right? Price came back in, crossed back in. That's on Friday. So that was the first sign. But we didn't take action back then. And then, of course, came yesterday, right? Was the first day of our trading week. Price was on the back foot for most of the day. It touched base with 69.62 for a brief moment. Check this out. And got rejected. So that's a good sign, right? That's basically a reconfirmation for price making it and breaking through 69.62. Because yesterday price was basically coming back down again, but got pushed away, got rejected, left that big mark, left that spike across that level, and ended up above. So on the background of that, it's easier for us now to establish this bullish campaign, and that's what we did, right? 15K. Let's see how quickly we can get to the target. 70.53. It could happen in a day or two, so we should be on alert with this one, following up very, very closely. Stop loss level, let me see exactly where that is. Right there you go, 69 spot, obviously a little bit below the lowest low we had a couple of days ago. All right, guys, so yeah, very interesting stuff. We'll definitely come back to follow up on the situation, and we will keep you posted as always. In the meantime, we'll say goodbye and we'll continue with the next one, so stay tuned.